Okay, we'll continue with that question once again. So from there, we'll start the next question. And later, I think after one question, we'll shift to the most important concept. That is what river swimmer questions or river boat questions, or we can say the same concept applicable for aeroplane wind questions. So let us see the homework sum which I have given to you guys. So what is happening? The rain is falling with the speed of rain is falling downwards. Of course, we all knows with the speed of what? All of you with the 60 km per hour. Is it correct? All of you.
Yes.
So speed of a rain with respect to ground, we all knows which is equals to minus 60. So now here on a trolley, one person is traveling with the velocity of a trolley velocity, sorry, velocity of a person with respect to ground. So of course, we know that how much velocity he is traveling or speed, 80 km per hour. Yes. So that is what. So speed of a man with respect to ground, which is equals to 80, and he is traveling in which direction? Everybody, x direction.
X direction.
So that is what x direction will represent with what cap? I cap.
I cap.
Now they are asking us to find in what way Mr. Man has to hold the umbrella to against to this rain. So as we all know, if you want to know the direction of a rain, sorry, umbrella, we have to find speed of a, that is what relative speed of a rain with respect to whom, guys? Relative rain of a relative speed of a rain with respect to whom? All of you, man, which is equals to sorry, speed of a rain with respect to ground minus speed of a man with respect to ground. So which is equals to, this is downward direction. So it is downward direction means plus 60 or minus 60. Everybody,
Mine.
minus 60 z cap and minus of velocity of a man with respect to ground, which is equals to 80 I cap.
80 I cap.
60 j cap minus 80 I cap. So this is what the resultant speed with rain with respect to man. This is what we obtained yesterday's class also. Yes, Mr. Murali, have you all solved till here? Anybody having any doubt? You can ask me. So now we have to find in what angle Mr. Man has to hold the umbrella to not to become wet or against to gravity. Sorry, against to rain. So this is what minus y and this is what plus y. Mr. Monish, if you not understand, you have to watch the last 3 videos. Please kindly watch in tomorrow's class. Okay. So anyhow, after this example, I will go to the next concept. That concept you will understand it. So observe very carefully.
Okay.
As we know, what is the resultant force, guys? Minus 60. J cap. J cap means what axis? Y axis or x axis? It is
Y axis.
y axis and it is a minus. So minus means it is a what direction? Downward direction. Correct?
Down.
So what is the magnitude of it? Magnitude is equals to 60. And this one minus 80 I cap. I cap means what actually? X axis.
X axis.
Minus it is. So minus x axis. So according to the parallelogram 3, if you complete the parallelogram, so as we all know, shift, parallel shift you have taken. So this is the parallel shift of it. Here also, what is the magnitude? Everybody, if I make the parallel shift, that is also 60.
60.
For this one, I make the parallel shift. That is also what? 60.
80.
80. 80 it is. So where the resultant force act? Exactly act between the diagonal. That is what middle it will be. So this is the resultant speed or resultant rain speed, we can say that. So resultant rain speed is this one. So we have to find resultant rain speed. So what is the resultant rain speed, everybody? All of you, how to find? So as it is knows that it is we have to find the theta, what angle it is acting, we have to find it. So theta means what a theta it is. Tan theta is equals to, you all knows, if you apply the right angle triangle, how much it is? This is 60 and this is 80.
80 by
Apply
60.
that, how much it will come? Adjacent side by what is the tan theta equals to? What is tan theta?
Opposite by adjacent.
Opposite by adjacent. So which is equals to opposite by adjacent. So 80 by 60, which is equals to 4 by 3. Is it right or wrong? All of you. So we all know the famous
Yes, sir.
triangle. So opposite is 60 and adjacent is 40. Sorry, 4 and opposite is 3. Then we all knows what is that angle? Hypotenuse triangle. Everybody. So that this
53 degrees.
so theta is equals to how much, Amma? 53 degrees. Correct?
53.
50.
Yes. So theta is equals to 53 degrees. That's all. So that the theta is 50 means, as we know, the person need to hold the umbrella opposite to this. Is it yes or no, guys? Opposite to the relative range speed. So here also what is the angle? If here is the theta, here also how much is the angle? Equal. Clear?
Theta.
So that is what you have to remember. So that is also how much angle it is? 30, 50.
53.
If this is the 53 means, then what about this angle? This angle is how much? 37.
27.
37 or 37? 37. Yes,
Uh,
sir?
37.
Yeah, 37. Clear? Because we all know this is what angle? Total angle is equals to right angle. Clear, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So, as we know that a person need to hold the umbrella 53 degrees angle. So now if you want to find what is the range speed, what is the average speed, sorry, resultant speed we can say. We have to find what? If you want to find the speed means, we have to do what, guys? Magnitude of velocity. So what is the magnitude of velocity, which is equals to root of, what is the
Root
velocity?
over 60 square plus
Velocity
9,
is
80 square.
minus 60 is a minus 80 is a. So which is equals to, just magnitude alone you have to do a, how much it is? 60 square plus, okay, minus 80. If you want, you can substitute it, minus also. Of course, square means it will become positive only. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Resultant is equals to, we know that 60 square means how much it is? 60 square, 3000
3600. 36,000.
plus 36,000 3,600. Next, this one, 80 square means how much it is?
6,400.
1,000.
6,400. So, which is equals to totally 10,000. So, 10,000 means it's
10,000.
the square of what?
100.
100. So, square and 100 will
100.
cancel. So, what is the resultant speed of a rain? All of you.
100 meter
100
per second.
kilometer per hour. 100 kilometer per hour. Meter per second. Is it okay? All of you clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I think everybody solved, I'm expecting. So let me see that how many of you. So now next question is, yeah, from this question you can understand those who joined today also. So the next question is, all of you observe. So let me take the rain is, this is the clouds actually. Just I'm drawing for your purpose. This is the clouds. Now see that rain always won't fall vertically. Have you noticed sometimes inclination also is to get. Is it as guys? All of you?
Yes,
Please respond. So now let us observe that clouds are forming, falling towards to the earth. Clouds are falling towards the earth with a surface angle which is equals to 37 degrees. What is the angle here? They are making, all of you?
37.
37 degrees. Are you clear, everybody? So this is the rain. So now it is falling with a velocity of 50 kilometer per hour. What is the velocity it is falling? Everybody? It is falling
50 kilometers.
50 kilometer per hour. So it is falling towards the downward direction. So velocity of the rain or speed of the rain with respect to whom, guys? With respect to ground, which is equals to 50 kilometer per hour. Means in the sense of what is the answer will come, it is a downward direction. So downward direction means what is that? Minus j cap.
minus
Minus,
So that what is that?
minus 20.
Minus 50 j cap. Is it okay, guys?
3.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, some people are
Yes,
making
sir.
noise. Please rectify that. Now, if you observe very carefully, as we all know, the rain is falling at 30 degree, 37 degrees. So, for example, let me consider. Now, this is the horizontal surface. Now, the rain is falling exactly here. Means in the sense of that is a resultant rain. Is it yes, guys? Have you noticed it? Resultant force means we have drawn before and all. Have you noticed it here, everybody? So this is a resultant force. Resultant force means we are having a two components. One is x component, another one is what component? Everybody,
y.
y component.
Y comp.
Okay? So that is you have to understand. Of course, just hold it and you can see. And now under that, one person is traveling in a bicycle. So one person is traveling in a bicycle on a ground. So with some velocity. So let me take a person is traveling in a velocity. Now our question is what? How he need to hold the umbrella against to this rain? Is it yes or no, guys? How he has to hold? Either he needs to hold, he need to hold perpendicularly to the rain or with some inclination. We don't know. We have to find it. Either yes or no, guys. Everybody respond. Clear? So let
Yes,
us
sir.
see
Yes, sir.
that based upon the resultant force. And this person is traveling in a bicycle with a 40 kilometer per hour. Means what direction he is traveling? Plus x or minus x? plus x.
plus x.
Clear?
Plus
Then
x,
what
sir.
is this? What is this force actually? Velocity or speed of a man with respect to ground, which is equal to how much, guys? 40 kilometers per
40
hour
I
means in
Kilometers.
the
cap.
sense of what is that? 40 I
40 I
I
cap.
cap.
40 I cap. Do you understand this? Please respond. All of you? 40
Yes,
I
sir.
cap. Clear? Now we have to find in what way he has to find it means. We have to do something. What is that actually? Can you tell me? All of you? Well, speed of a rain. And that is what? We can say
With respect
resultant
to
rate.
man.
Yeah. Resultant speed of a rain with respect to man, which is equal to what we have to do? Everybody. Yes, please. What do we have to do? Speed of a
Then speed
rain
of
with respect to ground minus speed of a
minus speed of
man
man
with
with
respect to
respect to
ground.
Man with respect to
Now, can you tell me speed of a rain with respect to ground? Speed of a rain with respect to ground is how much? All of you.
minus 50 cap.
minus 50
Minus 50
I
is there.
cap.
Then if you put the minus 50 is a cap, it is wrong. Why means, have you noticed it? Mr. Rudreshwar, it is actually what actually it is. It is falling not perpendicularly to surface. Have you understand? If it is perpendicularly, then it is we are getting the resultant rain. Now it is falling inclination to surfaces. Then it will be get the resultant force will be acting in how many directions? It will be acting in two different directions. Understand everybody? See here. If the resultant force is acting x direction and as well as y direction, sorry, the force is the speed of a body is in two dimensional, x direction and y direction. Then we are saying that the resultant force is acting between them. Is it yes or no? According to the parallelogram law, yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
No. Now the range speed is acting in a form of resultant speed. Now the normal speed will act in how many directions? Everybody, basically it will be
2.
acting two directions. Are you clear, everybody? Please respond.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So that
Yes,
is
sir.
what. So that is what you should find. So this is not the velocity speed of a rain with respect to ground. It is actually a resultant speed. Are you clear, everybody? Because it is falling inclination to the surface. Now, at this point, I am drawing perpendicular lines. One is towards to the y-axis, another one is towards to the what axis? All of you, x-axis.
X.
Yeah.
Yes,
So that is what exactly I am drawing here. So this is towards to the y, and this is towards to the x. So what is the theta here? All of you, theta is equals to what?
37.
37 degrees. Understand? Now I am saying you two more things. Observe, wherever theta will come, that axis is cos theta, and wherever theta opposite to that, it will become what? All of you, resultant force.
Sin.
It will become sin theta. So now, as they are falling with the rain, you can see that with the 37 degrees. So now you can tell me. So all of you observe very carefully. If it is falling 37 degrees, we all know famous triangle. Can you tell me what is the famous triangle? 37 degrees means angle is 37 degrees. Then what is the resultant force? 5. Hypotenuse is 5. Here what will come? You should tell 37 means 4.
4,
Opposite side is
4,
4 and adjacent side is
3,
what? Adjacent. 3,
3,
4, 5. So what is the angle here, Laksha?
3, 90.
37, 90. Yeah. 37. It is 37
37 degree.
farad. Understand, Ra? Everybody? Clear?
Sir.
So then what will become? What is the resultant? What is the resultant here? 3, 4. Hypotenuse is how much?
5,
5.
5.
5,
Yeah, 5 it is. So means it will become what? 5 cos. 5 cos. So what is the cos theta? 5. Let me take 5 cos 37. And this is what will become? 5 sin 37. 5, that will become 5 cos 37, and this will become what? 5 sin 37 degrees. Is it okay, guys? Pradosh? Clear? Suppose, for example, see, if I mention here theta, then can you tell me where is the cos theta will come? Where is the sin theta will come? Here I am mentioning, for example, 37 degrees. Then where is the cos theta will come? Where is the sin theta will come? Everybody? Then here what will become? Here cos theta,
cos
cos
theta,
30. Here what will happen? Opposite to that. Everybody?
sin 30.
Sin theta. Always remember that. Okay. So wherever theta will come, that is what the cos theta, and opposite one will be sin theta. Now, so let us find cos 37 value. So can you tell me what is the cos 37 value? Cos formula. What is the cos? Cos 37 is equals to how much it is? From the triangle, tell me. What is the cos formula? Class 10th mathematics. Cos means what? Cos means
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
adjacent by hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Adjacent means adjacent by hypotenuse, or what is it? Correctly tell me, Laksha. So which is adjacent now? This is hypotenuse. And what is this, guys? You should tell. I don't know. I forgot it. Okay, sine, tell me at least sine 37. Sine, tell me, sine theta equals to what?
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Opposite by
Opposite by
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Which is opposite? This is opposite now.
3 is opposite, sir.
3 is opposite and
Three
this is
by-
what? Adjacent. Understand? So this is hypotenuse. Now tell me cos 37 means what will come? 4 by 5.
4 by
Right or
4 by
wrong? Sin 37 means what will come?
3 by 5.
5. That's all. So substitute that values there. So which will become 5 into cos 37 means what? 4 by 5. Which is equals to how much, guys?
four.
Sorry, resultant force we got it. How much it is? What is the resultant force? Not 5 it is. How much it is? Resultant force is how much, guys? The velocity. What is acting with the what velocity? 50. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 50,
Yes, sir.
50 into 4 by 5. How much it is? 5 ones are 5 tens are. So which is equals to how much?
40.
Yes, please.
40.
40. So plus 40 or minus 40? Yes, please. Plus 40. Because it is what axis? Plus x or minus x?
X.
Plus x. So that it is plus 40. So next, this is, you can see here you find it resultant force 50 into sine 37. Sine 37 is how much? 3 by 5.
3 by
5 ones are 5 tens are, which is equals to what? 30.
30.
30.
Minus
So 30 it is that downwards. So 30 minus 30 means how much it is? 30 minus 30 j cap. And this is
J cap.
40 I cap. So what is the speed of a rain with respect to ground? Anybody can tell me? It is acting two directions. Speed of a rain with respect to ground, which is equals to how much, Ra? 40 I cap minus 30 j cap.
30 J cap.
Is it okay, guys? Understand? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. Okay. Now you can see, you can substitute it here. So which is equals to how to hold it, you have to find it. So velocity of rain with respect to ground, how much it is? 40 I cap minus 30 j cap. Next, minus of velocity of a man with respect to ground. How much, guys? Velocity of a man with respect to ground. How much it is? We already got it.
40.
40 I cap. So which is
cap.
equals to 40 I cap minus 30 j cap minus 40 I cap. So that minus 40 will get cancelled. So what is the resultant speed of a rain with respect to man?
Minus 30 J cap.
Minus 30 j cap. Now let us see how he needs to hold the umbrella. We'll find it. So plot the graph x and y axis. So resultant force is acting only in one direction. What is the direction? All of you. Resultant j cap, not I cap it is. Resultant j cap, it is j. So tell me how much it is. So resultant minus 30. Minus 30 means what is that? It is acting in what direction?
minus
Downward.
y.
Downward. So magnitude is that is. So always we have to hold the umbrella opposite to the resultant velocity or speed. So that what direction he has to hold the umbrella? Everybody.
Perpendicular.
All of you perpendicular to the surface. Means the person need to hold the umbrella like this direction.
Upward.
Is it okay, guys? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this question? Everybody? So the person need to hold the umbrella in this way, perpendicularly to the rain, so that he become not too wet. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, kindly ask me in this. Next time also similar sum, that's why. Murali, understand, Murali? Okay, guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now rain is acting like this direction with 37 degrees. So that's what you have been found it. Now next question. Is it completed? Let me know. Next question will solve. Have you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes,
Content, Samya, Aswita, Clear? I don't know previous videos you watched or not. Unless you watch the previous videos, you cannot understand anything this. Last 3 videos you have to watch. Relative velocity. Clear? Okay, next question. So observe very carefully. Next question is again same thing. So let me take the clouds. For example, I am taking. So this is the clouds. So clouds will give you rain. Now the rain is falling in this angle. All of you observe, this is the angle of the rains. So which they are falling with a angle of 53 degrees. What is the angle they are falling? Everybody? They are falling with the angle. How much, guys? 53 degrees. Clear, everybody? All of you?
Yes,
Please
sir.
respond. Now, so let us take again. We can take like for example this time like rain woman problem. Let me take umbrella and woman. Now all of you observe, girl is not traveling, a woman is not traveling perpendicular to the ground. Girl is traveling 37 degrees inclination. Clear, Rudreshwa, Pradoshe? So now here one girl is traveling on a bicycle. So observe very carefully. Okay. So now one girl is sitting, riding a bicycle. So now we have to find in what way she has to hold the umbrella. Is it okay, guys? Women, clear, Aksha? Now, so
Yes, sir.
what is the question? So now rain is having and this girl is traveling 37 degrees. So now let us see, this girl is traveling in this inclination with 100 kilometer per hour. How much it is? 100 kilometer per hour, and the rain is falling with 50 kilometer per hour. Now we have to find her umbrella position. In what way she has to hold the umbrella? Is it okay, guys? What angle? Shall we start now? Please respond, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So now let us take here. Both are inclination. It's not one. You can see that. So now if you see that, first let us find the force of, that is what the force acting the rain velocity or rain speed which is acting in the two directions. So I'm drawing. This is what direction? Plus x or minus x. See that it in this is acting in this way. And here I'm drawing the vertical line again. So this is what? Minus y. So exactly I'll bring into this frame here. So this is what? Minus x, and this is the minus y, and the rain is falling like this. So what is the angle, guys? Everybody, what is the angle rain is falling?
53.
57 degrees, 53, sorry, 53 degrees. Then this side what will come? Here what will come? All of you, with the resultant force is 50. So then what is it here? 50 cos 53 degrees. And here what will come this side? 50
57.
sine
53.
53 degrees. Okay. So let us draw. We all knows it. So it is 53 degrees means what is the famous triangle? We all knows. Adjacent side is how much? All of you. This is 4 and this is 3 and this is 5. So that here what will come angle? Angle is equals to 53 degrees. Yes or no? So in this what is the adjacent side? Check it, everybody. Opposite side is how much? Opposite is 4. Adjacent side is what? Adjacent side is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Is it okay, Laksha? These two triangles will come more and more in coming years.
Yes,
You have to remember 4, 3, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 37 degrees. 4, 3, 5, how much it is? 57 degrees, 53 degrees. Clear, everybody? So that is what we have to find the resultant force now. So cos 53, how much is the value? 53. Cos theta means what?
3 by 5.
Cos theta means what? 3 by 5. Means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Next, sin 53. How much it is? Opposite by hypotenuse. 4 by 5. So find the values. Find the values here. So 50 into 3 by 5, which is equals to next. Yeah, 50. Sorry, 50 into
Minus
4 by 5. So which is equals to, everybody verify it. 5 ones are 5 tens are, which is equals to how much? Everybody,
30.
minus
30, but it is acting minus x. So that what will happen? Minus 30 I cap.
30
Next,
I
this
cap.
one, 5 ones are 5 tens are, which is equals to
40
40
minus 40
again.
Jacob.
Minus
minus 40 I cap.
Is it clear? So I will say velocity or speed of a rain with respect to ground. What is that, guys? Everybody tell me. Minus 30 I cap minus 40 J cap. Is it right or wrong? Am I correct, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Murali, that is what it is. It's very, very tough. That is what imagination is very important. Next, velocity of a woman with respect to ground. We have to find it. So let us see. Velocity of a woman with respect to ground. Again, same thing. Girl is not exactly at perpendicular. Are you clear? If suppose she is a perpendicular woman, then what is her resultant velocity of a woman with respect to ground? 100 J I cap. Is it yes or no? but she is not traveling perpendicularly to surface. She is traveling inclination. With the inclination, what is the angle? 37 degrees.
37.
So we have to find exact force direction, the speed direction. So velocity of a woman with respect to ground is equals to, let us find again same thing. So I will draw the triangle here. So you can imagine. So this triangle 37 degrees. So 37 degrees means you all people knows. What is that? All of you. 37 degrees. Yes, please. So she is traveling, see, she is traveling like this direction. With what velocity? She is traveling, what velocity she is traveling? All of you. What is that velocity or speed? 100 kilometer per hour.
100
Yes or no, guys?
100 kilometers.
Yes? Nobody is responding.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can find it now. So we all knows that is 37-degree triangle. So you can say that like this, I will draw the triangle, or you can choose any try. So this is the triangle now. So if this is the 37 means, we all knows. So 37 degrees means, where is the 3, where is the 4? This is what? Adjacent side is how much? 4. Yeah, hypotenuse 5 and opposite side is how much?
3.
Opposite side is
3.
3, adjacent side is 4, and this is 37. Just volta triangle. This side they have changed. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Then you can find. So now let me draw the resultant force. So here itself I am drawing the resultant. This is y-axis, plus y or minus y? Plus y. And here what is
Y.
that? Yes,
Plus.
this is already plus x or minus x? Plus x. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
If you are confusing here, exactly I will draw here. If you don't have any problem, so let me take that one and here I will draw. So like this it will come. So the resultant force is acting with what angle? Everybody? 37
X.
degrees. So I will draw perpendicularly, it is plus y, and this is what will happen? All of you, plus x. So then
Plus
here
X.
what will come? The force is 100. So 100 means what will come here? 100 sin theta cos theta. 100 into cos 37 degrees, and opposite here what will come? 100 into
Sin
Sin
37.
sin 37 degrees. So find that values, everybody. All of you, first cos 37, how much? Cos 37 means, we all know
4 by
we have solved. How much? 4 by 5.
4
Sin
by 5.
37. Sin 37.
3 by 5.
3 by 5.
3 by 5.
Clear? 3 by 5. So that is what. So find the values. 100 into 3 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 how much?
20.
5 20. So 23 is how much?
60.
60. So 60 and plus y direction. So what will come? Plus 60 j cap. Is it correct?
Okay.
Next,
Yes, sir.
100 into, this is sin theta. Okay, this is 100 sin 37. Next, this is 100 cos 37. How much, guys?
60.
100 into
80 J cap.
80.
4 by 5. 5 ones are 5 20s are, which is equals how much? 80.
Cap.
But it
80
also
I.
plus x. Plus x means what will happen?
I cap.
I cap. So what is the resultant? That is what? Velocity of a woman with respect to
Cap.
ground. Everybody. 80 I cap plus
80 I cap plus
60
40.
J cap. 60
60
J
J
cap.
cap.
Clear? All of you understood? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I want to find in what angle girl should hold, we need to do find something. What is that? Every time we are finding the same thing. Any other boys? Velocity of a rain with respect to woman. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
which is equals to
Yes,
what will come? Velocity of a
Sir.
rain with respect to ground minus velocity of a woman with respect to ground. For those nothing saying, you are not able to understood.
No, sir.
Clear? Now, so velocity of rain with respect to ground, how much value? We found it. Minus 30 I cap, minus 40 J cap,
J.
minus of velocity of a woman with respect to ground. How much?
Minus
80 I cap plus 60 J
cap.
cap. So I'll write it as a minus 30 I cap, minus 40 J cap, next minus 8
minus 8
I cap,
I cap.
minus 60
Minus
J cap.
J cap.
So the resultant one is minus 30 minus 80, which is equals how much?
Minus 1.
110 I cap, minus 40 minus 60, minus
Minus
100 J cap. I don't know others able to understand or not because no response from Anya, Samya, Sita and all. So very, very important and very interesting also. So if you are involving in the class, definitely it will be very easy. Mr. Murali, understand Murali? That's all. So what is our velocity
Yes, sir.
with respect to woman, which is equals to how much? 110. Okay, 110 I cap minus 110 I cap and minus 100. What is that?
J
J cap. So plot the graph. You can find the theta also. So if you plot the graph, if you want to find the resultant force of a rain, you can find it. So we all know. Now this is what? So this is minus y, this is plus y, and this is minus x, and this is plus x. We all know. So now first minus 110. So what is the magnitude in minus x direction? Minus x direction. What is the magnitude? 110. Clear?
110.
Yeah. So if I'll shift to parallel shift also, this side also how much it will come? Same 110. Clear?
110.
Next. And downward direction. Downward it is acting how much?
100.
100. Understand? It is acting 100. So the resultant, the magnitude is equals to how much? Everybody?
100.
So means the resultant force act between them. So this is the resultant force. Is it okay, guys? Ellame clear? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So that is what theta. We have to find it. How much it is? What angle girl should hold? So let us find it. How to find it? So we all know theta is equals to which theta? Tan theta is equals to how much, guys? Tan theta is equals to tan theta. Tell me, everybody.
100 by 110.
Yeah, because it is also 100. 100 by 110 now. 110 by 100.
110 by 100.
110 by 100. This is the triangle, girl. Is it okay? This is the triangle. So this is 100 and this is the 110. So what is the tan theta formula? Everybody. Tan theta means what?
Opposite by adjacent.
Opposite. This is opposite and this is what? Adjacent. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So 100 by 110, which is equals to what? 11 by
11.
So theta is equals to tan inverse of how much, guys? 11.
11 by 10.
So that is the angle she has to maintain here. So tan theta is equals to tan inverse of 11 by 10. So means the girl should hold the umbrella opposite to this. So here also theta is what? Tan inverse of 11 by 10. So this is the position of the girl. She has to hold the umbrella. Will you all accept it?
Yes, sir.
So that is what it is. So very, very important and very interesting also. If you not understand, you can ask me. If you understand, you can solve. So if you solve this one, then we are going to enter into the most important concept. Surely the question will come in JEE NEET and JEE NEET, JEE Advanced, Mains, everything. So definite question from that concept. So this is what, if you understand this concept, the next concept will be very simple. Simple in the sense of more you have to analyze and you have to show, like they're simply sitting and seeing here and there, it cannot be understanding. So you have to be 100% very thorough. This question is completed, let me know, then we'll proceed further. Is it completed, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now next one, the next concept, please keep ready. This is the river swimmer problems. River and swimmer, or we can say river boat problems, or you can say aeroplane, same aeroplane wind problem. So all the cases concept is same. If you understand one time concept, that's all it is. Very, very simple it is. So we start now, everybody, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us take now, all of you observe, I'll make it different colors. Imagination is very important. So let me take, this is the river. Observe, I'll take more bigger, I will draw. This is the river. Now, river, total width of a river, if you have taken, which is, let me take it as a, for example, 16 kilometers. How much is the river? Width actually? Width of a river, yeah, width of a river, which is equals to 16 kilometers. Just imagine that. Okay. Now, let me take now, Mr. Pradosh is standing here and he wants to cross this river. He wants to cross this river. So he started swimming here. This is the point where he started swimming. Is it okay, guys? He's swimming. He wants to reach the point B. He wants to reach the point B here. And he started from the point A. Now you tell me, what is the shortest path he has to here? Suppose if you want to reach B, what is the shortest path he has to swim?
Straight line.
Straight line. Yes or no? So actually, that is why he started swimming in a straight line. So actually, he needs to reach at the point B. He need to cross this river. So he started swimming in the straight line. Is it okay, Pradosh? Rudreswa? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is what actually he needs to go. Actually, he needs to swim to the point B like this. But have you remember that river never water will be never stagnant. So of course, water is flowing in the river. Now, the speed of the river with respect to the ground, be very careful. The speed of the river with respect to the ground is, that is what? Our velocity of the river, which is equals to 3 kilometer per hour. What is that, everybody? 3 kilometer
3
per
kilometers.
hour. Now, and velocity of a person with respect to river. This is velocity of a river with respect to whom, guys? Anybody? Velocity of a river with respect to whom it is? With respect to ground. Clear? With respect to ground is 3 kilometer per hour. Now, Mr. Pradosh is swimming. Velocity of a person, or you can take a swimmer. Is a swimmer actually. So yes, I'm taking it as swimmer. I'm taking as a what, guys? I'm taking as a yes always symbol.
Yes.
So velocity of a swimmer. Now he is swimming in the river, so that it will come with respect to ground or with respect to
Ground.
everybody. He is swimming in the river. His velocity will come with respect to swimmer,
River.
ground or river. Everybody.
River.
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 So with respect to river, he is swimming with 4 kilometer per hour. Is it okay, guys? Everybody, do you all understand? All of you, please
Yes.
respond, guys.
Yes.
Now, so as we all know,
Yes.
observe very carefully. Now, you are trying to travel. For example, you are on the road, you are cycling or you are walking. You might be see you are trying to travel in a straight road, for example. But if the wind is blowing,
Yes, sir.
definitely you people will deviate. Yes or no, guys? Your path will change. Yes or no? You are trying to move forward. You are trying to move in a straight line, but wind is pushing you. You are trying to move in a straight line, but wind is pushing you. You are trying to move in a straight line, but wind is pushing you. So finally, you reach to the next destination, but it is not in a straight line. Have you noticed it? You are trying to walk in a straight line, but due to the wind force, you people are reaching to the another point. Is right or wrong? Will you all experience it or not? We'll experience it when we are walking in the windy road. Yes, please, Pradosh. Bicycle and all you can.